Yo guys, what is goody? I have a new mic now. You probably could tell from like my reaction video. The last like 4 to 5 mouse pi videos have been old as hell from like when the game first released, like the first 3 days after it released. That's when all my last mouse pi videos. It is now May 22nd. Just to give you guys a perspective on how many videos I made between that time. Absolutely none. Besides that reaction video. Now that we have a new mic, you feel me? I feel a lot more better about doing multiple forms of content. I did a reaction video and whatnot, and it didn't really do that well. Well, view wise it did, but like interaction wise it didn't. I do plan on stopping by reactions again, doing a better job than I did. I definitely could have gave a better reaction than I did, you feel me? But hey, anyways, let's get into it. I low-key forgot what I just did before this, because it's been like a calm 3 weeks. Well, I'm gonna talk to her right quick.
So, Monsieur Pepe, have you found out anything about my poor late friend?
You already got plenty of charm. Why bury it under that, accent?
Oh, damn, I forgot. All right, Mr. Pepper, tell me, did you find anything at Tinsel's? Do you know who killed Betty?
Not yet, but it seems she was quite the socialite. She was getting rather close with that, what's-his-face? You know, the one running for mayor.
Oh, Sawyer? Milford Sawyer?
Bingo. She most likely got to Sawyer through that dandy spokesman for their party. Name's Curd, I believe.
Oh, Miles Curd. Yes, of course. Oh, the parties we threw. Ooh, such lavish affairs. So, Mr. Pepper, how do you plan to get close to Sawyer? He's probably less approachable by men, shall we say? Particularly men in trench coats who ask a lot of questions.
Hey bro, what's wrong with the fit?
Maybe. I need to think this through.
Well, if I may, if Sawyer's unreachable, why not Miles Curd? He's a beast of a different sort altogether.
Not really, he's a mouse too. But I get your point.
Good. Mr. Pepper, I believe your best bet is to go and catch Miles. From what I gather, he's either throwing another party or cleaning up the mess at the Opera House. What's left of it, anyway.
Oh, someone made a mess at the opera. That's, truly barbarous. Well, I'll be on my way. Now that I think about it, Sawyer's note to Betty was real specific. Stupidly specific. Time to run it up the flagpole and see who salutes.
Okay. Hold it right quick. I'm going to rebind my dash button to my left bumper. Not my left bumper, my left I'm using a like SCUF controller, so like oh yeah, my left paddle. Okay. There it is. That just shows how long I've actually like been on the game. Let's see. I got a double jump and then I got that. Before we dip out, I'm going to go down here and see if I can, get some upgrades. Okay, I have exactly 3. Increase clip size, max ammo, reduces spread and recoil. Increases projectile count. I'm gonna do this. I use the James gun a lot. What the hell? Oh yeah. Going back to here, I found out what these cards do now. So, let me see. There's like this game, like over here with her, that I can do to get coins and whatnot. I'm not going to get too deep into this video, you feel me? I'm probably going to record a separate video getting into this, you feel me? But Yeah, we're gonna come back to that later. I'm gonna
Tell me,
talk to him
Corny,
real quick.
why do we always meet in these seedy places?
Screw you, Pepper. This is a well-respected establishment.
Yeah, real high class. So?
Well, my dear boy, you've got to understand, I'm a public figure. Always in the spotlight, right?
That you are.
So, friends are friends, but business is business.
So what you're really saying is you're ashamed of being friends with a bottom shelf private dick.
Well, I wouldn't put it quite like that.
But you just did.
Oh, come on. You know how these things work. What keeps the wheels turning.
Sure, money. But it should be backbone.
Yeah, I don't trust this guy. I still don't trust this guy. Before we continue on, I have an announcement to make. If you didn't know, I'm a member of a group called X Generational, XG for short, and today we created a Discord server for viewers, creators, and artists to unite. We made the server to keep you updated on all XGen uploads and featured member content, ensuring you never miss an upload from any of us. Aside from the videos, it's also going to be a thriving networking zone designed for content creators and artists across every platform to grow. Whether you're looking to share your work, improve your content, or just vibe with the amazing community, there's going to be a spot right here for you. If I manage to convince you to join, Discord's linked in the description. I know in like a prior video, I don't remember which one, I cannot lie to you, but I said I was going to do like case studies on
Makes
all
me
of these.
wonder.
These are all connected in some way or form, so there's no point in me doing a case study. What I will do probably is after I beat the game, I might summarize the game for y'all boys. But yeah, I feel like it would just be a waste of time just describing each individual part of the map when they all like kind of correlate to each other. Let's see. Oh wait, hold up. I don't know why I left from down here. I went up here secondly to like pin stuff up here. Note reads, "Twas a wonderful evening. I'm glad you liked our sightseeing tour that was sub-popping at Dock D12 up North Wallet Bay. Was quite something. MS." That was like second grade reading comprehension. We're going to skip past that though.
Dock's set now, just need a mooring point. I hate to ask, but Tam knows these waters better than I do.
A photo of Betty Lynch with one Milford Sawyer, one of the mayoral candidates. A stiffingly cologne note is clipped to it. I don't think that said cologne. I think that said cologne. I don't know. A truck full of blue cheese. What is this even doing here in Tinsel Avenue? Oh yeah. That was one of the trucks that fell over in the last mission, I believe, that I did. Someone in Tinsel Avenue is quick to clean up Betty Lynch's belongings. Coincidence? Question mark? Okay. So we hung up everything, I think. Ask Tommy about Lycians. Wait, hold up. Liaisons, I think that says. Do I have to talk to her
what
again?
exactly did you do at Tinsel's to get your glamorous behind kicked to the curb?
Kicked? Please. I left on my own terms. Nose high, tail swaying, not a single boot print on my rear.
Well, either way, there must have been a reason.
Oh, I don't know. Ridiculous overtime? Zero artistic integrity? The occasional wandering hand? Oh, a paycheck so thin I could roll a cheese stick with it? Pick your poison.
Surely those ain't the only reasons, right? Sounds like you got a soft spot for the place.
You are persistent, aren't you, Mr. Pepper? Fine. Tinsel's wasn't just a job. It was an experience, a lifestyle. You didn't just make movies. You took life by the handful, gave it a good shake, and spilled every last drop onto the screen.
Yo,
It
free
was
gamble.
about skirting the edge of what's safe, what's appropriate, about grabbing what you wanted and never blinking. And me, I never blinked.
So, you partied too hard and got yourself in trouble.
I partied just enough. Though, in hindsight, my just enough might have been a little much for the wussies. But without those parties, I'd never have met half the dazzling souls I did. I'd never have met Betty.
Who might still be breathing if not for all that skirting the edge.
You implying something, Mr. Pepper?
Me? Imply? Never. I just connect the dots.
Well then, connect 'em elsewhere. You're sniffing around the wrong mouse hole.
You're in my office. What sense does that make? You're not. You're. Now I'm even more sus of you. All right. Ask Tammy about liaisons. I think that says. Are you Tammy? That is not Tammy. Where is Tammy? Is Tammy the shorty in that basement that I get upgrades from? Are you Tammy? Yes, you are.
Hey, Jack. How's the case shaping up? You know, the shrews and all that.
Hey, kiddo, I'm heading down the Wallet Bay to find out.
The Bay, huh? What's dragging you down this salty armpit now?
Well, I just follow the crumbs, you know? They're pointing me straight to the water. Supposedly that's where the shrews are being moved. I just have to pin down the exact spot.
Well, hey, I might be able to help you out with that.
Ah, figured you might. So, who's my guy?
Name's Cameron Bozo. Rakes like a jug away, yes, but might have heard something useful. You'll find him skulking around the pub, likely.
Cam Bozo? Classy.
Oh, and be sure to have a bunch of cheddar handy.
Cheddar? What's wrong with Gouda?
No Gouda if you broke, Jack.
Like, is like the currency cheese here? Well, wait, hold up. I feel like I should know this. Let me actually go check. I never actually peeped that. Is it cheese? Are these cheese coins? I don't think those are cheese coins. Head to Opera Ruins. Head to Wallet Bay. So I have two options. So, all right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right, we're going to the bay. I hope I don't regret this. All right.
Nothing like a breeze of rotting fish, oil rigs, and stale Gouda. Corny would be begging for a gas mask.
Okay. This place looks nice. This game is so beautiful. I don't know if I said that 1,000 times already, but hey, here goes another 1,000. Like, look at, you can't tell me this don't look fire, bro. Where the hell are you? Like, nobody at the store. I really could have just robbed you just now, gang. That's crazy work. Okay, gold on the ground. Oh, okay, this place is a lot bigger. Okay, I'm guessing we're gonna go all up through there. I can't interact with you.
A fisherman's pub this empty at noon. Smells fishy.
No pun
Feels
intended.
crooked, too.
Was that the varnisher?
I'd steer clear of the water if I were you. Sharks are circling just past the buoys and they're looking real hungry.
No, they're not. I'll slap all those sharks. Yo, what's up, frog? I can't interact with, bro. Can I? Is there like a secret over here? See, he was lying, bro. There isn't any sharks. Oh, Oh, okay, I can flash them. All right, that's beautiful. What's up with y'all? You guys look suspicious. Are you guys like twins? What's going on here? I'm already stacked up on old Bucky. Ooh, I can open that. I want to slide down here first, though. I think I just like skip past. Okay. Okay, so I'll be able to go in there eventually. But I can go in here, though. What's going on up here? Ooh, secret. This is why I'm the GOAT. I just now peeped I can do this with stick. I was doing it with my D-pad the whole time. So much more convenient. Probably less accurate though, but more convenient. Can I open this? No, I cannot. Okay. All right, what's going on in here? Nothing. What this is? Totally normal wall. We can break through that. I'm calling it. Can't pick up the fishing rod. Ooh, okay, so we're timed on this one. Take whatever is on the other side of this door. Another secret. Man, I'm on a roll today. 2 in a row. Oh, so I just got a couple extra coins. No, like, collectibles outside of that. Something behind here? No. Man, this was a trash secret. Man, like, I just wasted my time. Triplets? Oh, yo, my fault. Yo, I haven't touched this game in a minute and we're already scrapping. I'm just gonna boomstick everybody. Am I missing something? I think I gotta go upstairs. Take that barrel off your hands after this, though. Sit your ass down. Gonna eviscerate him. Did I just collect his bones? What the hell? Sit your little ass down.
Where's Bozo? What did you do to him?
Did you just kick me? How do I kick again?
Oh, I ain't dead.
Oh, it's
yet,
circle.
Bob.
Here, let me bind my right paddle to circle. Now that they're all like going in this area, I'm gonna look around a little bit, see if I missed anything. I kind of like speed run through these areas a lot. It's my ADHD. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, a burger. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Okay, I'm sorry. Grown ass man, by the way. Work now, die later. That I don't want to do that. Oh, I can. This is automatic. I bet.
Stop right now.
Bye bye. Appreciate it if you stop shooting at me. What is up there? Can I not collect? Oh, right bumper. I low-key forgot that was a bind. Alright, who else wants it? Pull up this lever. Ooh, loot. Hold up. Before I do that, I'm gonna collect this. Okay, James gun. You know what? Let's get some James gun action going. Hold up. Why can't I swap weapons?
Go, everyone, and I mean everyone.
What the hell? That's why I can't switch. What? I just pulled out this straight tune force. What gun is this? It kills in 3 shots? Who's shooting at me? 2 shots? I am missing. Holy shit. I need to get back into aim labs. Yo, holy shit.
Take him down already!
Are they just not
can't
going to
hear you
explain
with a
what I did?
rat-a-tat-tat.
Like, I just casually have that in my, like, you know, my artillery? Yo, what's up?
Now you better drop this silliness and tell me.
Yo.
Are you dare? You drop when I say drop. Ah, to hell with you, Pepper. I ain't telling you nothing.
I'll just beat the shit out of you until you tell me. What the hell is that? This a rocket launcher?
Time to breathe.
Ooh, ooh, say less. This is sexy.
Where'd your balls go, Pepper?
Shut the fuck up. You sound stupid. I'ma just have to beat the intelligence into you. Okay, I guess I looted everything. So I have to get up there somehow. How can I do that? How does one do that? Okay, there's a little zip line thing. What is this? Hold up. Oh, I can't unequip it. So this means I have to fight with this BS. Oh wait, I need to go across. Hold up. This might be wavy. Think. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, boy. All right, can I open this? No, I cannot. I cannot open that. So, probably should have been paying attention to where he went. He went in there, I think.
Where'd your balls go, Pepper?
Please shut the fuck up.
What are your balls
Ah.
waiting for? Don't let him in.
Whoa. Yo. He jumping me. Oh, I was pressing the wrong button to swap this whole time. That is not what I wanted to swap to. I was about to genuinely eviscerate him. Is it me or did my upgrades disappear? Like, I can't use my secondary move unless they disabled it for this. Alright, time to eviscerate bro again.
Where'd your balls go, Pepper?
You're about to find out.
Balls go.
Hey.
This place won't hold forever.
Move it. Yo. Sit your ass down. I don't have the HP to deal with you niggas. Where am I getting shot at? Come here. That's all my cheese. Any more HP before I continue? I'd highly appreciate it. You're about to find. Please shut up. Golly. Can I think for 1 second? Okay, here it is. All right. That is not what I wanted. Just beat the shit out of me. I keep pressing the wrong button. Why do I keep trying to press left bumper to open up my weapons when it's triangle? I feel like the bind changed or I'm just BSing. No, I don't think it was left bumper. Because that's my little flight thing. Do I have ammo? No, I do not. Can I pick this up? I'm guessing not. Yo, where am I getting shot at from?
Where'd your balls go, Pepper?
Where'd your balls go, Pepper? Bink.
Sometimes you knock. Sometimes you knock it down.
That was a knee slapper. Gosh. Can I get some HP? I promise you, I will make you feel hell if I have to go through the rest of this map on 18 HP. Oh, okay. Got you. Here, let me pull out old Bucky so I can just slime bro out real quick. God damn.
No! Stop! Have mercy! I'll talk!
Nope. You're getting
Then
slime.
talk. Where's Bozo? He's still in one piece.
He's alive, all right. We just roughed him up a little. I got him locked up near the shipyard gate up north. Now, for the love of... let me go!
You're spared. And, bleeding profusely.
Nope, I'm
Storms
slimy.
are coming, and I'm betting Bozo's got the weather report. Now,
Lucky as hell.
which way to the shipyard?
What did that do? Ah, okay, I see. What is this on here? Ooh, loose cannon? Oh, it's the rocket launcher ammo. I'm putting this to use immediately. I'm eviscerating all of the opposition. No, there's more HP. Did they? I'm pretty sure it respawned, so there should be one up here. Or not. Or it didn't respawn. Only a few of them did. Save my game right here. Do I have to do it again? Oh wait, I don't think I'm in the right area. Am I? No, that opened. I'll take these. So like, I don't think I need the rocket launcher to destroy that. Sit your ass down. I'm not playing games with y'all today. Whoa! Sit your big ass down. That's what happens to the ops. Alright, who's next? God, hold up. Oh! Where did you come from? Ah, there's an upstairs area. Ooh. Okay, I need to remember that's up here. So did I go up there for no reason? Ah, I see. Okay. Is that what the key was for? I could have just jumped over that. Oh yeah. Hold on, I can't see. I'm just literally just rummaging this whole place. By myself is crazy. You guys suck. Where y'all at? That is not what I meant to do, but okay, that works. I'm making every last one of these bullets count. Sit your ass down. Damn! Military grade threat just eating shotgun cells? Send him to the front line. Okay. Yeah, I missed so much loot over here. Golly, can I get through this? Thank you. Hold on, what does this require? Workshop key. How does one acquire the workshop key? I need to get through here. I'm so sorry. I did not need a point blanky like that. Your aim sucks. Holy shit. You missed the whole clip in a narrow hallway. Please hire new workers, bro. Whoever this person is controlling these niggas. This isn't auto reload, and it's pissing me off.
I swear, officer, ow! I've been law-abiding since breakfast.
Nothing to worry about, OG.
My hero.
I'm surprised you survived that. I didn't even care if you survived. I cannot lie to you, bro. God bless you. What is this? Pill bottle. Okay.
Oh, my precious savior. More noble than a whole truckload of blood of...
Tammy's the one you should be thanking. Just tell me what I need to know.
Yeah, of course, boss. But what exactly do you want to know?
Everything.
Well, see, I was born right here in Mouseburg, almost 30 years ago.
Well, I don't want to know that
Like
much.
the docks, Papa.
Everything about the missing shrews.
Yeah, I didn't need your life story game.
Oh, right. Yeah. So, there's a meeting going down, see? They're resealing the livestock deal or whatever. Wallop Bay's just a pit stop.
Who's they?
Cops. The crooked ones. Meeting with some science-y types. Weird accents. Real heavy on the Z's. Especially their leader, the professor.
This some new racket or business as usual?
Oh, business as usual. Used to bounce around Shantytown, keep it quiet. Now, feels like they don't even bother hiding it.
Bounce around where exactly?
Bob's workshop, Letitia's pharmacy, maybe. Both good folks, just scared stiff. Oh, and they've been using that old underground shelter uptown. I used to squat there till they kicked me in the teeth. See, right here.
Yeah, tragic. So when's the next deal?
Dunno. Today, tomorrow. They don't exactly work on a schedule.
And me without even a sandwich for the stakeout. Guess I'll start sweeping those spots.
Oh, speaking of which, see, boss, I happen to have a key. A very special key. A pharmacy key. Let's just say I'm holding on to it for Letitia. Temporarily. And since the pharmacy's on your list, $50, boss, and it's yours.
So, I was drinking water, my fault. So, Peep, right? He's having us pay for it, or I'm guessing I can beat it out of him. But low key, I want to beat it out of him because, you know, we've been soloing everybody. You feel me? I might as well keep the reputation. But at the same time, I feel like if I press refuse, it's going to actually refuse it, and I won't be able to come back to this. So I'm going to just pay for it because I have the
You got
bread
the
for it.
morals of a stinky floater. You know that? Fine. Hand it over.
Pleasure doing business with you, boss. You're the greatest.
Mm-hmm. Try not to get yourself roughed up again. And for the love of cheddar, spend that money on clean underpants, will you?
No response to that, eh? I got $2 out of that big ass stack. That is wild. But golly, bro, I'm getting overstimulated. Get that shit away from me. I'm not playing no games. Get your ass down from there. What? Who are you? You're just tanking rocket launcher explosions? Can I not kick that? Yes, I can. I can't get in there, though. Yo, they are lighting my shit up smooth. How many bullets does this take? More than the whole clip. All right, all right. Love to see that. Love to see that. Appreciate that, big bro. Already broke that.
Dead end. Or...
Hold up right quick. Y'all, just want to go around looting everything I can. Low-key wasted a lot of ammo on a lot of things. I'm gonna probably spend a whole band like restocking everything after this mission. Alright, what's going on in here? God damn it. Smooth sailing after this. Hell yeah, boy. Take all this off you guys' hands. You're not doing anything with it. I'm gonna take this with me just in case. Hold on, I low-key forgot where I'm supposed to be going. Got my ankles broken by the sweeper. Ah. We love to see the loots. Go to move that out my way. How do I crouch again? Ah, okay. What the fuck is that? Yo, go ahead and stop that, little bro. You know how damn. You know how flexible you gotta be to just kick straight upwards like that? That was crazy. Can I activate my flashlight on like any part of the map? Or is this a glitch? Because my game is already kind of glitched. That's something I've never tried. Here, hold up. Let me retrack. So I came through here. So did I just do a full 360? If I did a full 360, I am pissed. Oh. Short-term games, long-term rot. That's the game. The captain and his fondest loving pal, XX, are playing. Makes a man wonder what they see in the mirror.
Renewing the delivery agreement for an additional 14 days. Signed, the captain and XX scribbled was cited in something that reeks of illegal fondue.
What the? That is not what I switched to. Go ahead and clear all you guys out. Go ahead and back up for me. Go ahead and back up for me. Go ahead and back up for me. Appreciate that, Ford. You're the flies. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Get out of my face. Your breath stinks. Sit your ass down. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You're alive? You're still alive? Please. Golly, bro. All right. Do I have to scrap some more? I see y'all down there. Save my game. Alrighty. Standoff, seasickness, meds to some old world types. Like it's no big deal.
Some old world names. And a whole sack of prescriptions for seasickness meds. But why?
Are we being dead ass, bro? This is like the shittiest rocket launcher I've ever seen in a game, bro. But yeah, where was that that one place? Can I not like get back through here? I guess not. Cause there is like a workshop, unless I'm going back to the workshop now. What the fuck is what type of shit y'all got going on in here? $60, and I got a blueprint. You know what? God damn. Yo, kamikaze. Was I supposed to shoot that? I guess not. Oh, here goes the workshop. Ah, okay. Oh shit! Yo! Worst time to not be able to shoot your gun. Over 100 shoes per shipment? Where do they go? What happens to them?
Sweet infinite feta. 100 shrews. What's that noise? It's coming from up here.
Yo, he changed topics real quick. Do me a favor and stop that. Appreciate that, twin. Y'all got something to drink out here? Oh. They just gonna walk around and not question why half of their homies is just slumped? Do I really gotta waste my cheese? I can survive with 31 HP. That's light. Ah.
No fondue way. Captain is Captain Goddamn Sims. The cop of the year himself. So much for that. But the other guy must be Professor. Ugh. He's got that particular brand of a quite big affair egghead I'd rather forget. And here come their lackeys, walking in on me like, oh hell.
We're getting overstimulated. Stop running. Come here. Come. Yo! Hit him in the league. He clearly chose the wrong profession. Kobe. Bye-bye. He ran through the explosion. All right. You love to see it. I'm not playing games. Yo! Move! Sit your big ass down. You're lucky I don't have the rocket launcher. They're way too tanky, bro. He's not dead?
This case is like a bad haircut. Messy, uneven, and way over my head. I had to go back, think it through. Maybe even across.
Holy, bro. Get me the hell out of here. I'm sliding back to the crib.
Plenty of pieces on the floor. Time to start pinning them in place.
And we're going to do that in the next episode, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, show me by liking, subscribing, and commenting your favorite part, or about your favorite part, should I say. Anyway, y'all, peace out. Hope you enjoyed this episode.